Hello everybody and welcome to Apka Malaysia. I'm Chef Rob and today I'll be showing you how to make glazed carrots. The ingredients for this recipe are as follows: sugar, carrots, chopped parsley and unsalted butter. So to start this recipe, first we take a non-stick pan and we preheat on a medium heat. Then we add our carrots inside and then we take some water, just enough to cover. Now we can increase the heat to allow the water to simmer, and with that the carrots inside will cook for a few minutes. The water is simmering. We allow our carrots to cook for a short while we wait for the water to evaporate slightly and to reduce in its level. After that we will take our butter and our sugar and we will add that inside. After several minutes our water has reduced, so now we can take our sugar and add that inside along with our unsalted butter. And now we stir this through and we wait for it to reduce and thicken up slightly. So after it reduces, you will see that now we have just a buttery mixture that is slightly thickened. So what we can do is begin to coat the carrots and mix the carrots into the liquid. This will help to give them that sweetness and that shine. Next, we can take some of our chopped parsley and we can also mix that inside. Now we can turn off the heat, add a good pinch of salt and also white pepper powder. And then we mix this through. So now we can take our pan and keep it on a coaster while we arrange our carrots nicely onto the plate. And now we finish off by taking a small amount of our liquid and pouring over. And now we have our complete dish. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon.